What's up guys, this video is for someone who is still holding Lucid warrants and wants to know details about how these can be converted into Lucid stocks, since we only have 2 days left to convert these warrants before they become worthless. So let's discuss how you can convert these warrants into Lucid stocks. Just as a standard disclaimer, I'm not a CPA, legal or financial advisor. You should do your own research. This channel is for education and entertainment purpose only. I'm not asking you to convert your warrants or trade them. Simply, I'm making you aware that you only have 2 days left to convert them or trade, since these warrants will be worthless after tomorrow, 5 p.m. EST, October 8th. Lucid Motors announced cashless redemption of public warrants. They highlighted two things. Cashless redemption reflects the confidence in Lucid business outlook and strong balance sheet. This is really important. Action minimizes the dilution to existing shareholders while enabling warrant holders to hold Lucid stocks without cash exercise, meaning you don't have to pay $11.50 per warrant to convert them into stocks. They are also saying you can redeem your warrants by 5 p.m. EST on October 8th, 2021. That is the redemption date they have announced. If you do not redeem or trade these warrants will be worthless after this date. So you have to be very careful with your warrants if you are still holding. Just to get an idea why they went with cashless option and without a cash exercise. So basically they are saying this is an important milestone in streamlining our capital structure to eliminate outstanding public warrants. At the same time, as we see growing confidence in Lucid groundbreaking in-house developed electric vehicle technology, which will soon arrive into the market in Lucid Air. So they have chosen a cashless option, meaning that you don't have to pay, you don't have to arrange additional cash to convert your warrants into stocks. And they have some calculation already provided, by which your warrants will be converted into stocks. These warrants are listed on NASDAQ under ticker symbol LCIDW, and each public warrant entitles the holder to purchase one share of Class A common stock for a purchase price of $11 per share. This was the case if they would have announced the cash option. You would have to pay $11.50 per share to convert each warrant into stock. The public warrants will cease trading on NASDAQ at 5 p.m. EST on redemption date, which is tomorrow, October 8th. Any public warrants that remain unexercised at 5 p.m. tomorrow will be delisted, void, and no longer exercisable, and their holders will have no rights with respect to those public warrants except to receive the redemption price, which is I think 1 cent or something. So they will be worthless if you don't redeem or exercise your warrants by tomorrow 5 p.m. EST. Holders may no longer exercise public warrants and receive common stock in exchange for a payment of $11.50 per warrant. Instead, holders exercising a public warrant will be deemed to pay $11.50 per warrant exercise price by surrender of 0.5542 of a share of a common stock, meaning instead of paying $11.50 per warrant to convert them into stock, you are surrendering a price of 0.5542 per warrant to Lucid. Accordingly, with this calculation, the cashless exercise of the public warrants will receive 0.4458 of a share of a common stock for each public warrant for exercise, meaning if you are holding one warrant, then it will be multiplied by 0.4458 to receive a common stock. Another key point to mention that the number of shares the holder will entitle to receive will be rounded down to the nearest whole number of shares, meaning they will not issue any shares in decimals, right? They will not be doing like 1.10 or blah, 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 right? They will be doing it at round figures, either 1 or 2, right? I want to disclose to my viewers that I was holding LCIDW warrants and I was able to convert them into common stock. So this was a setup I had before conversion. I had 2,758 warrants of Lucid and 500 common stock. So after the conversion of Lucid warrants into stocks, I had received 1,229 stocks, and if I add my original investment of 500 stocks, then the total is 1,729. So this is what I'm holding in Lucid. So guys, just before I close this video, I highly recommend, if you want to convert your warrants into stocks, today you can do it today and tomorrow by calling your broker and ask them to issue a common stock of Lucid. All right guys, thanks for watching. Take care.